Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turbo a Jeep Cherokee 4.0. Adding a turbocharger is a fantastic way to unlock substantial power from your engine, providing a noticeable increase in both horsepower and torque. We'll explore the key components you'll need, walk through the general installation process, and discuss crucial tuning and maintenance tips. A stock 4.0-liter engine can typically handle up to 8 pounds per square inch of boost reliably, transforming your Jeep's performance. Building a turbo system for your Jeep 4.0 requires several key components. You'll need the turbocharger itself, a custom exhaust manifold to mount it, a wastegate to regulate boost pressure, and a blow-off valve to release excess pressure. Crucially, you'll also need larger fuel injectors, a more robust fuel pump, and a fuel pressure regulator to ensure adequate fuel delivery. An intercooler is highly recommended to cool the charged air, and a MAP sensor bypass is often vital for proper engine management. Installing a turbo on your Jeep 4.0 involves several steps. First, you'll need to mount the turbocharger, often requiring a custom manifold. Next, connect the oil feed and drain lines to ensure the turbo is properly lubricated and cooled. Then, install the charge piping, which carries compressed air to the engine, along with an intercooler to cool that air. A new exhaust downpipe will also be necessary. Finally, upgrade your fuel system components and integrate a MAP sensor bypass for accurate readings under boost. After installation, proper tuning is paramount for your turbocharged Jeep 4.0. An experienced tuner will adjust your engine's computer to prevent dangerous lean conditions. Regular maintenance becomes even more critical. Frequently inspect all hoses, clamps, and fluid levels, particularly your engine oil, as the turbo relies on it for lubrication and cooling. For added reliability, consider upgrading to a multi-layer steel head gasket and ARP head studs. Always run higher octane fuel and use a wideband air-fuel ratio gauge to monitor your engine's health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.